Yeah. No. Okay.
Mom, can you open this for me?
Okay, can you wait? Quiet. Okay. Right here, come on. Go sit down right there.
Where?
Right there, because I will see if you can capture that one. Go sit down. No, sit down on the floor.
Okay. Sit down on the floor? Right here?
Yes, right there.
I gotta sit properly like tomato. Apple train is ready to go.
Can you not make this up? Hello, guys.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
That's right. Welcome back to our channel. We just woke up. And then today's video,
Today's Sunday.
Yes, today's Sunday. Right? Today's video, we're going to make some.
Is it Easter?
No, it's Easter's last. Hey, you.
Easter is Sunday.
Yeah, Easter is Sunday. So,
Is it Sunday?
it is Sunday, but it's that the Easter is done. Oh, you got a Batman right there.
It's not Easter.
Yeah, it's not Easter until next year. Okay?
It's not Sunday.
Okay, so we bought Mama. This is sponsored by Mama. Okay, this is sponsored by Mama. Okay, so Mama went to Walmart the other day when we went to the doctor for the baby brother shot. So we are going to unbox this. Well,
Mama,
yes,
can you open it now?
yes, baby.
Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome, daughter. So, okay. This one right here, it's so...
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute,
These are not real food.
No, this is not real food because you like to help Mama when Mama's in the kitchen. And then now when Mama's slicing the food, vegetables, and you have yours.
Wow.
Yeah.
So cool.
So cool. So,
So when you take this.
I will. If you could just wait. Oh my god, that one right there. Yeah.
Mama, we're gonna cook.
Yeah, we're gonna cook. Well, after this, Mama's gonna cook. Okay, so I don't know, baby.
I'm gonna cook.
Yes, what you have? You have
A toy knife.
Okay, you have this. You sliced
Is
it.
it tomato? Tomato.
And then you have that.
An apple.
And
What, a pickle?
this.
Carrot. I want a pickle. I want the pickle back.
That's okay. So it's okay until the baby.
Mom.
It's okay, baby. It's okay. You share his toys, right? It's fine. Just for now, okay? You just share with the brother, okay?
Get grab the pickle.
Okay. So this thing right
The
here.
apple.
I don't know why I didn't know that the baby boy needs a toy.
Apple.
You know what? Because we were gone in the house
Do you need a
for
big slice or a little slice? Big or little?
I don't know what else? I don't know. Okay, this is the baby boy because he needs some stuff like this. You're so funny. Okay, do this here.
Mama.
Here's yours. Here's yours. This is yours. Okay, do this here.
Mama.
Here's yours. Here's yours. This is yours. You put like here, and then in there, and this is yours. Yeah. Do that. Okay, that's yours. Okay. So the reason I did not buy stuff for little guy because Rain, she has a lot of toys, and I didn't realize that they're all gone, baby.
But we got some new toys.
Yeah,
I
but
like them.
I don't know why that baby boy needs some toys.
Why you have an iPad?
Well, yeah, but very careful with this scissors. Okay, so this is one right here. Is this all the shapes? And this is from Melissa and Doug. I think this is all Melissa and Doug.
The one with sugar high. The one with sugar high.
Well, it's just because with the baby girl, with Rain, she grows so fast. My
And I
God.
have a bad dream, guys.
It's my
And I
God.
have a bad dream, guys.
You had a bad dream? How come you have a bad dream?
Because I like bad dreams.
Huh?
I like bad dreams. I was lost and I missed you. Missed you.
Oh.
That's,
So we'll see.
that's my bad dream.
Yeah. You lost the mama.
Yeah, look.
I love you too. You're my only daughter.
Yeah, but I love you.
I love you so much too. So all the Frank toys is gone because of
Yeah, but we have to
Irritating.
do
yeah. So it could
It's okay, don't be worried.
it could be nice if it would be nice if we did not throw all your stuff and did not get damaged. I'm sorry. So that baby boy can use all your old toys, but
Mama.
it's okay.
It's a bread.
It's a bread.
Bread.
It's a bread. One my sugar, 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 sugar. So I bought a lot of stuff for the baby boy. Can you just share? It's okay. It's okay.
I'll share with my toys.
Because he shares his. He doesn't know that you play his toy, right?
Oh, he can have it.
So I bought this is Melissa and Dog. I think it's a spark ray match. Okay. Can you just be quiet for now, please? Hey, Rain. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, come here. Hi. You're such a pretty boy.
Chocolate bunny.
Yeah. Help Mama when Mama's gonna cook? Okay, like Mama is going to cook right now. Are you going to cook with me? Huh? Can you share the toys with the baby brother? Okay, look at here. So the mama is going to work. It's kind of early. I just feel you know what? Mama feel like it's a beautiful day because today is my Friday. So it's my last day to work. Not last day, but it's like my Friday. Would you like all this? Would you like all this? Because I was just gonna be busy. Hush, baby, hush. Enjoy your toys, my baby. Did you like it?
Agina.
Aginas. Look at your baby. Wow, feel ng mama. My God, magkilay. Except sa buhok, parang bulbul. So, we are done unboxing, guys. It's not really unboxing. Yeah? So, it looks like they are really enjoying it. I'm hoping soon I could be with my kids. Soon I could be just with them every day, 24 hours a day. But we will see. It's gonna be, that being said, I have to quit my job. But I'm hoping soon. It's gonna be tough because it's gonna be less income. But you know, being with your kids, they're only kids and small at this moment. By the time within a year, they already grown. They already get big. Like this one, I just gave birth this yesterday, and he's already 13 months old. So that one right there, she grew so fast.
Hey, Mom,
He
this
grew
is
so.
a piece of
She's so sassy. All right, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy our videos. And this is my beautiful guy right here. He just loves his mama so much. You say hi? You want to say hi?
hey.
Say hi. Alright guys, bye for now. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to update it for our new videos. We uploaded at least every week.